Hello and welcome to Pippi Wellness. This sharing is for general wellness inspiration only. It is not intended to replace professional medical advice. Many people feel tired all day, even after a full night's sleep. This constant fatigue is not normal, and it is not permanent. Often, it comes from small, unnoticed daily habits. Today we explain gentle ways to fix tiredness at its source. We focus on real, sustainable changes, not quick fixes. One common cause of fatigue is inconsistent hydration. Even mild dehydration slows body function significantly. It drains energy before you even feel truly thirsty. Sipping water regularly keeps your system working smoothly. Aim for small, steady intake instead of large occasional drinks. Dehydration is easy to fix but often overlooked entirely. Irregular eating also creates extreme energy fluctuations. Skipping meals leads to low energy and mental fog quickly. Large, heavy meals cause sleepiness and sluggishness too. Small, balanced meals throughout the day stabilize energy. They keep blood sugar steady and avoid sudden crashes. This simple change creates consistent, calm daily energy. Lack of gentle movement also contributes to tiredness. Many people think rest alone will fix persistent fatigue. In reality, light movement boosts blood flow and energy. A short walk or gentle stretch activates your whole body. It reduces the heavy, tired feeling many people experience. Movement does not have to be intense to be effective. Poor quality sleep is another major cause of tiredness. Quantity matters, but sleep quality matters even more. Disrupted sleep leaves you tired no matter how long you rest. Creating a calm pre-sleep routine improves sleep deeply. Lowering lights and reducing screens supports better rest. These small steps help you wake up more rested and alert. Stress also drains energy in quiet, consistent ways. It keeps your body in a state of constant low tension. This hidden exhaustion builds up over weeks and months. Taking short, frequent breaks helps release this tension. Even 1 minute of calm can reset your energy levels. Reducing stress directly reduces physical and mental tiredness. Many people also tire easily from overloaded schedules. Packing too many tasks into a day drains energy quickly. Leaving small gaps in your day creates room to recharge. You do not have to finish everything at once to be productive. A more relaxed pace supports steady, long-lasting energy. This gentle approach prevents burnout and constant tiredness. Lack of natural light also affects energy and alertness. Spending all day indoors weakens your natural energy rhythm. Even a few minutes of morning light makes a big difference. It regulates your internal clock and reduces daytime sleepiness. Natural light is free, simple, and highly effective. It supports energy without any effort or extra cost. Finally, listening to your body is key to fixing fatigue. Tiredness is often a signal, not a permanent state. Pushing through exhaustion only makes the problem worse. Resting when needed helps your body recover fully. Small acts of care add up to lasting energy improvements. You can feel consistently energized with gentle daily changes. Fixing chronic tiredness does not require extreme plans. It requires understanding the real causes and acting gently. Start with one small change and notice how you feel. Over time, these steps will restore your natural energy. You can move through your day without constant exhaustion. If you enjoy this sharing, feel free to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.